Your next CPP and OAS payment arrives on June 26th. That is just 18 days away. But thousands of Canadian seniors will open their bank account that morning and find less money than they expected. Some will find no payment at all. This video will show you 3 things you must check right now before June 26th arrives so that you receive every dollar you are owed. At Canada Pension Map, we break down complex government benefits into simple, clear information using only official Government of Canada sources. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial or legal advice. Always consult Service Canada or a qualified financial advisor for your specific situation. Today's topic matters because June 26th is not just a payment date, it is a deadline, and missing what I'm about to tell you could cost you thousands of dollars. Here is the reality that most seniors do not know. Your CPP and OAS payments do not automatically adjust themselves. They do not automatically update your banking information. They do not automatically tell you when something has gone wrong with your file. The Government of Canada sends your money, but they do not follow up to make sure it arrived correctly. Here is what happens to real seniors every single month. Margaret is 69 years old. She lives in Nova Scotia. Last month, she switched banks. She updated her hydro bill, her phone bill, her grocery loyalty card, but she forgot one thing. She forgot to update her direct deposit information with Service Canada. On payment day, her CPP and OAS went to her old account. The bank sent the money back to the government. Margaret waited 5 days, then 10 days. Then she called Service Canada and waited on hold for 40 minutes to find out what happened. This happens to hundreds of Canadian seniors every single month across the country. And the worst part is, it is completely avoidable. The government does not automatically tell you when your payment has been returned. You find out only when your account is empty. Let me now walk you through the 3 things every Canadian senior must check before June 26th arrives. The first thing to check is your direct deposit information. Log into my Service Canada account at canada.ca. Go to the CPP and OAS section. Check that your bank account number and transit number are both correct. If you have changed banks in the last 12 months, update this immediately. If you receive a paper check, consider switching to direct deposit now. Direct deposit is faster and safer. Paper checks can take up to 10 business days to arrive. Let me give you the exact numbers so you understand what is at stake. The maximum CPP retirement pension at age 65 in 2026 is $1,507.65 per month. The average CPP for new beneficiaries, the amount most seniors actually receive, is $925.35 per month. Your OAS pension for age 65 to 74 is currently up to $743.05 per month. If you are 75 or older, your OAS is up to $817.36 per month. That is up to $2,324 per month in CPP and OAS combined, going directly to your bank account every single month. You cannot afford for that payment to go to the wrong place. Now, before I get to the most important part of this video, make sure you subscribe to Canada Pension Map so you never miss a benefit update that could affect your retirement. Because what I'm about to share next surprises most Canadian seniors, and it involves a payment that could stop completely without any warning. The second thing to check is your GIS status, your Guaranteed Income Supplement. GIS is a tax-free monthly benefit paid on top of your OAS. It is for low-income seniors. The maximum GIS for a single senior in 2026 is $1,109.85 per month. That is over $13,000 per year, completely tax-free. But here is what most seniors do not know. GIS does not renew itself automatically. Every July, including this coming July 29th, your GIS is recalculated based on your previous year's tax return. If CRA does not have your 2025 tax return on file, your GIS payments will stop. No warning, no letter, just no money in your account. If you have not yet filed your 2025 tax return, do this today, not tomorrow, today. Call Service Canada at 1-800-277-9914 and confirm your GIS status before June 26th. If your income went down last year, you may actually be entitled to more GIS than you are currently receiving. That is money you are leaving on the table. The third thing to check is whether the OAS clawback applies to you. The OAS clawback, officially called the OAS recovery tax, begins when your net world income exceeds $95,323 in 2026. For every dollar above that limit, the government takes back 15 cents of your OAS. This clawback amount is calculated from your 2025 tax return and applied starting July 2026. If your income was higher last year due to a one-time RRSP withdrawal or a property sale, your OAS could be reduced starting this July. Log into My Service Canada account and check your payment breakdown. If you see a deduction you do not understand, call Service Canada immediately at 1-800-277-9914. Let us quickly review what you must do before June 26th. Check number 1. Confirm your direct deposit banking information is correct in My Service Canada account. If you changed banks recently, update it today. Check number 2. Confirm your 2025 tax return has been filed and that CRA has it on file. This protects your GIS payments starting July 29th. Check number 3. Review your OAS payment breakdown to see if the clawback applies to you based on your 2025 income. The maximum CPP is $1,507.65. Your OAS is up to $817 per month if you are 75 or older, and your GIS could be adding another $1,109.85 tax-free. Do not leave this money on the table. These 3 simple checks take less than 30 minutes, but they could protect thousands of dollars in income that you have earned and deserve. If this video helped you, please subscribe to Canada Pension Map. We publish new pension updates every day, based only on official Government of Canada sources, so that you never miss a payment or a benefit you are owed. Leave a comment below, tell us which province you are in, and which of these 3 checks was most helpful for you. And watch our next video on what changes to your OAS and GIS are coming on July 29th, and exactly how to prepare. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself, and make sure June 26th brings you exactly the payment you deserve.